Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. In this tutorial, we will be learning about slicers. So the first thing that we will be learning about slicers is that how do we sync the slicers across the pages in your Power BI report? Meaning, if you select country here, let's say if you apply a filter as Algeria in the summary tab, I want the same filter to be applied in my details tab as well. Okay, that's one of the things that we will be learning. And the second thing that we will be learning is, let us say that you have multiple pages across your report and you want to create the same kind of slicers across the pages in your report. For example, in this page I have country and item type. I want to create the same slicer in my details page as well. So instead of you having to create it multiple times, I'm going to show you an easier way where you can just with a click of a button create the copies of the slicers across all the pages. So let's get started with this tutorial. So the first thing that we will be learning is how do we sync slicers across pages. Now for example, on this page over here I have country and item type slicer, and on country I have selected Algeria over here. If I go to my details tab, I also have a similar country slicer over here, but over here when I've selected Algeria in my summary tab, I don't see the same thing here on my details tab. I'll have to manually come here and select Algeria here, for example, right? Now, what we can do is, let's go back to the summary tab over here and click on country slicer. Go to view, click on this particular option over here, which is sync slicers. This will give you a list of all the pages which are available on your Power BI report. For example, in this particular report, let's only work with summary and details tab. So as you can see over here, there are two check boxes over here. One is it's saying it's about sync and the other is about visibility. So we have this particular slicer, which is country, available in all of these pages. What it is telling right now. When I click on item type, it is telling me that this particular slicer is available in these three pages and it is visible. Okay, so if I click back on country again and if I deselect this particular visual icon over here, this particular slicer will disappear, and if I click this back, it will start appearing again over here. Okay, now if I have to sync this between summary and details tab, all I have to do is check these two boxes over here. So if I check these two boxes, it is basically saying that my summary and details tab, the slicer country needs to be synced together. So now I have selected Algeria over here. If I go to my details tab and see that it has now automatically selected Algeria. For example, if I come to my details tab and select, let's select some other country over here. Let's select Australia. And if I go back to my summary tab, you will see that Australia has been selected over here. Likewise, I can select multiple countries as well. Let's say we select Australia and Austria together. And if I come to my details tab, you will see that there is multiple selections. And if we expand this, we will see that we have selected Australia and Austria. And if you clear the slicer over here, it will get cleared in all the places as well. If I clear the selections over here, the selection will get cleared over here as well. So this is the simple way to sort of sync two slicers by just clicking on these buttons over here. Let's say you had the same slicer in the other pages as well. All you have to do is check all of these boxes over here, and when you check these boxes, all of them will get synced together. And let's say if you just want to sync in two pages and not in all the pages, you can just select the pages where you want to sync the slicer and then uncheck the ones where you don't want to sync the slicer. Now that was the part one of the tutorial. Now the part two of the tutorial, let's say in my details tab over here, I have a year slicer which I want to replicate the same thing in my summary tab. However, let's say if it is just one tab, I can simply copy and paste it in the other tabs. But if I have, let's say 10 different tabs and I want to copy the same thing to across all the pages in Power BI, then it becomes challenging and tedious job to do. So what you can do is, let us say that your formatting section, let's say it is like this, right? Throughout all the pages, the design of the particular report is like this throughout the pages, where it is in this particular format, the size and everything is same. So in that case, what you can do is you can simply click on this particular slicer over here, which is currently visible only on the details tab, right? When you see this checkbox, it means that it is visible only on the details tab. It is not visible on the other tabs that we have in the particular report. Now, if you want to make this available in the other tabs of the report, all you need to do is check this particular box over here. And then if you want to sync both of them, just select this as well. So now you will see that if I go to my summary tab, a new slicer has been copied into my report. Now that the report design is different between these two, it is not matching. So that's why what I will do is I will select this, go to Home tab, click on Format Painter and just do this. Now it has been formatted. I will simply resize this and bring this into this particular box and resize it again over here to match just the way how I have on top over here. Now I have the same visual in summary tab as well as in details tab, and they both are synced as well. So if I select 2021 or 2014 over here and go to details tab, it is now synced as well. So this is how you can sync the slicers across your BI report and also create one single slicer across all of your pages in Power BI. So that's it guys in this particular tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.